Down to the Bridgeville area, and don't know how good you folks can see this, but apparently a little more water has come up. This is from all that rain we've had the last couple of days. And this water has gotten up further than the last time we were here.
That's this morning.
Here's this other side.
How far is it from the house?
And it's just a few feet, now inches, away from that house there. Yeah, they done moved everything out so they can get up out of there if they have to. And you can hear, listen, you can hear the water running. And it's just a few feet from that house there.
Oh, it's up on the other side.
Yeah, it is. It's up further than it was yesterday. And over here, it's up further in the woods. So, this is in Bridgeville between Robertson County and Brighton County line. It has gotten up further
Since we left here.
since we came through this morning at 9 o'clock.